Are you unable to pair your Apple Watch with your new iPhone? This usually happens due to outdated software, connection issues, unpairing from the old device properly. After watching this video, you'll have your Apple Watch connected to your new iPhone in no time. In this video, I'll show you how to solve the Apple Watch not pairing with new iPhone issue. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Before we start the main process, make sure that these basic things are checked. Make sure your Apple Watch has at least 50% battery and is connected to its charger. Your Apple Watch and iPhone need to be connected to the same stable Wi-Fi network. Make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are enabled on your iPhone. Keep your Apple Watch and iPhone close to each other during the entire update process. Solution 1. Update your software. First, open the watch home screen, tap on the Settings app. Now, scroll down and then tap General. Tap Software Update, and if there is a new software update, then download and install the update. Solution 2. Reset your Apple Watch. Open the watch home screen, tap on the Settings app. Now scroll down and then tap General. Scroll down to the bottom. Tap Reset. Tap Erase all content and settings. Scroll down again, tap Erase all. After erasing all, try to repair again. Hope you're unable to pair Apple Watch to iPhone. Issue on your Apple Watch is solved. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then drop a like, and if you have any kind of questions, then ask me in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned.